What are people experiencing today, and why is this workshop important? Well, people are feeling frustration of not finding what they want when they're looking for jobs and careers. Sometimes they lack the confidence to fully see themselves and express that to others. Some people we're hearing have anxiety about who they are, where they should go, and what's ahead. And so we're seeing that this is causing certain problems. And what we want to do is try to address that. But first, let's talk about them. Sometimes there's a lack of focus in what we're seeking in terms of careers and new positions within that. Maybe you're being unsuccessful in the applications that you're sending out. Maybe you've missed an opportunity to talk about yourself as well as what you might be looking for. Or maybe there's a challenge of being able to talk about yourself positively and bringing that so that you can express yourself on how others are able to help you in your journey. All of this is being caused by those pain points and that anxiety. And so what we want to do is to bring all of that together for you to be able to help you accelerate that discovery. And this is what this workshop is all about. It's something that is there to help you build a portrait of yourself through a new lens, through the lens of what does career fit and what does the workplace look like for me? We want you to know you and to see you from that angle and to be able to express it to others. And most importantly, we want you to be able to understand the key elements that impact career fit. Let's get started.